How to make a minor adjustment in Xero. So a minor adjustment is when we want to adjust something by just a few pence when there's a difference from what's been paid or received by those few pennies. So in this example, we've spent 59.55, but the actual invoice amount was a penny or two different. So how do we fix that without kind of changing invoices? Hit the find and match icon. We find our actual invoice. So again, I've got it there, but I could search that as well if I've got lots of invoices. I do not need to scroll through them. Tick the relevant invoice or indeed invoices if it's more than one. And here we've got a penny difference. I then scroll down here to the adjustment section and I can make a minor adjustment, and I'll just simply pop in that 1 pence. That then changes it, hit reconcile, and then I can match that one off accordingly. Nice and simple and straightforward. And that is all there is to it.